Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to this channel, and as you guys know that today I will be making another video on side hustle ideas in the year of 2021, or maybe I should be saying that I'm giving you side hustle ideas to start in the year of 2021. So according to all of these side hustle ideas that I'll be giving you in this video, some of them I've tried it out and some of them I have not, and it is just a suggestion, so it all depends on you whether if you want to try them out or not. So as we are ending this year on a good note, well, not so good, but I want you, all my viewers, to prepare for the year of 2021 to, start a side hustle and to potentially make money off of it. But you know what they say, one income stream is just one step away from poverty. So why not start a couple of side hustles and, make a couple more income streams? So that is exactly what I'm going to be doing today. So if you guys like videos like this, I post them every single week. Subscribe if you're new around here, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss out on the next banger video like this. Let's go! So the first side hustle idea that I recommend you guys to start is to start an Instagram theme page. And if you guys don't know what an Instagram theme page is that basically you can create a content regarding on certain niche that you know or you are expert or you're passionate in, and then educate your audiences. Just like me, I used to create contents like infographics on the finance niche and entrepreneur niche, or sort of like a motivational niche, and people actually find value and they actually started following me. And if you guys want to know more about that, I've made over $400 just from that Instagram theme page. And if you guys want to know how I did it and the strategies to do it, you guys can click the link up here to check it out. I've made a video on that topic. So you may be asking, how did I make over $400? Because a lot of people are making a lot more, maybe 10k, 20k in US dollars, because they obviously have the right strategies to do those. So here's an example: affiliate marketing. And that is when people buy a certain product through your link, and in that process you earn a small commission, and that is one of the ways for you to generate passive income streams just from your Instagram page. So the second way that you can monetize your Instagram page is that you can create contents for other pages within your niche. Let's just say you want to create contents for other business pages like this, for example. And you can just approach them and give them your price, and if they choose to take up your offer or your services, then congratulations, you just closed yourself a certain amount of deal on Instagram. Third way to monetize your Instagram theme page is that you can sell mentorships or consultation calls. You may be wondering the topic that you can be talking about through your mentorships or your consultation calls. Normally what I do is that I teach people how to grow their brand, build their brand on Instagram, and potentially monetize it to a really sustainable business model. So you'll be surprised on how many people are actually willing to pay for that knowledge, because knowledge, it's worth quite a lot, So the second side hustle idea that I have for you guys is through flipping items online. Of course, with all of the technology that we have nowadays, there's a lot of online selling platforms for us, and it is really opening up a lot of opportunities for people like you and I who are looking ways to earn money. So the first way that you can actually flip products online is that you can buy a product that you know very well about and then potentially sell it for a higher price. And within that process, you'll be earning that margin, and that is your net profit. Second way to actually flip items online is that you can go to all of these online selling platforms, and then you can go to the bidding section where you can look for misspelled items, because a lot of people, they will be searching bicycle and spelling them correctly. So what you want to do here is that you want to look for listings that have misspelled their items and potentially not be seen by so many people, and that is how you get an item cheaper. You just place your bid and then you buy it and then you sell it at a regular price, and that is how you flip a misspelled item online. And of course, you get to keep that margin as a net profit. So the third way to actually flip items online is that you can find bicycle, not just any bicycle or laptops or anything that but a broken bicycle or a broken item. And then if you finally got that item, you can just potentially replace the seats, the handles, the wheels, for a cheaper price, and then clean it up and then sell it at a higher price. And again, you get to keep the margin as a net profit. Fun fact, if you're from Malaysia like me, you probably came across this news where people are actually selling McDonald's chili packet on Shopee, and you'll be surprised on how many people bought it, because I went to check it out and there was quite a couple of reviews on those sellers, and I'm surprised of how people are actually making money nowadays, because there's a lot of opportunities out there. So the third way that you can start a side hustle is through Fiverr. And if you don't know what this website is about, it is a platform where people around the world can sell their services online, mainly services. So how do you want to expand on Fiverr is that you'll be selling your services on something that you actually know a lot about. Let's just say you are really good at editing videos, or you are really good at editing photos, right? You can start and put up your gig and put up your examples or your portfolio, and people will be scrolling through the page, and if they were to show interest in your services, they can connect with you through the Fiverr chat, or you can leave your personal details where you can interact with them before even selling them your services, and they would eventually pay you to do video editing or photo editing for them. But there is one consequences to sell on Fiverr, because Fiverr is a worldwide platform, and there are a lot of Indians on this platform doing a really good job for a really low price. Because as y'all know that rupees is a very small currency, and therefore their living cost is a lot lower, so $5 is a lot for them. So competition is really high with these Indians, and they could really do a professional job, and therefore they will be the one who steals all of your customers. But not to worry, because if you were to deliver good work and have a lot of reviews, then you can build the trust and credibility, and eventually you can get a lot more clients. But to start off with 0 clients and 0 reviews, it's gonna take a little bit of time, but once you get there, it'll get easier as time goes. Lastly, for Fiverr, it's also really scalable. Why do I say this? Like, you can just outsource your projects for people to do it at a lower price, and therefore you can just sit back on your rocking chair, relax, and eventually earn that small margin, maybe small or maybe big margin, and therefore that is your net profit. That is why Fiverr has a lot of opportunities, and if you guys are really interested in that, you can just go ahead and check it out, fiverr.com. I'm not sponsored by this website, by the way. The fourth side hustle idea that you can start in the year of 2021 is that if you love music, you can start making music and eventually monetize your music. Not just any music, you don't have to know how to sing, you don't have to know how to rap. So let's just say you really like making music beats, and of course I assume that if you really like something, you'll be really good at it, and you'll be really creative on all kinds of music beats that you'll be making. So how do you want to sell your music through Instagram? All you need is a PayPal account or a Stripe account or a payment gateway that you can receive payments from all around the world, and you're ready to go. So the last but not least for this video is to start a Cashcow YouTube channel. And some of you have never heard of this Cashcow system before, and of course this is still a really new business model that not a lot of people know yet. So subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be revealing more and more golden information like this. Ever wonder if you can make money off of YouTube or build your YouTube channel without even showing your face? Because that's totally possible on this business model. And eventually, whenever you start scaling, you don't even have to make videos yourself. All you gotta do is hire people. But we're gonna get to that later on. Right now, just let me elaborate a little bit more about this business model. All you need to do this is that you'll need free royalty-free video clips, and a voiceover. And it sounds simple, right? And yes, it is simple, but when it comes to action, you really gotta put in a little bit of work. But it's a lot easier than personal brands like this. I gotta show my face, I gotta look good every time, although I'm not looking that good. Have you ever watched a video saying 9 signs you are attractive, 9 signs you are lonely, or maybe 5 signs you are rich, or stuff like that? Because all they do is that they put up an animation video and a voiceover, and therefore you can see that their channel is growing like crazy, because that is exactly what you're going to be doing in this business model. Because people like me, I will watch videos like this on a daily basis, to gain some knowledge. And therefore, I think that this is a really good business model if you guys are looking to get into YouTube to milk that sweet AdSense revenue. So here are some examples for the cash cow channels that I'm talking about.
We want you to know that we wouldn't be here.
So as you guys can see that these guys are just making animation videos without showing their faces, and then write a script and do a voiceover. And you guys can see that they have quite an amount of subscribers. So that's exactly what you're going to be doing, and you can take advantage of the audience by selling your own products or affiliate links. And there's a lot other ways to monetize this type of channels. So the first few videos of your cash cow channel is definitely going to be really hard, because it's always hard to start from zero. Just like this channel, I started from zero and it was really hard, I'm not gonna lie. But eventually, whenever you start posting a lot of videos, like let's just say a minimum of 33 videos, you can start to see one video take off. And when that one video take off, that's when you'll be making it eventually. So 33 videos and one video takes off. All you gotta do is double down on that specific video. Let's just say you're talking about how to invest as a beginner, and if that video takes off, you can make another video saying mistakes beginner investors make. So it's just like a linked video, and potentially people that watch this first video are going to be interested in the second video, and that is how you start to gain more and more followers or subscribers. And then people would eventually know your channel and they would subscribe to you. And once you reach the amount of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, that's when you can apply for the YouTube Partners program and you can monetize your channel with ads. And that's when you made it. And finally, to scale this business is the easiest. So all you gotta do is hire a script writer, hire a video editor, and hire a voiceover actor. And after that, all you gotta do is just toss them some video ideas and tell them to do their jobs. And therefore, they will be, submitting the whole complete video to you, and all you gotta do is post it. And it's that easy. And just pay them the amount that you agreed to pay, and therefore your net profit will be coming from the YouTube ads revenue. So that is one of the ways to make a lot of money, because I've seen people making like 6 figures or even 7 possibly. I've seen people on Instagram saying that they own like 10 cash cow YouTube channels with proof. They obviously have proof, that's why I believe in that. So if you guys are really looking to start a side hustle in the year of 2021, consider all 5 of these ways, because I sincerely believe that my videos will help you guys, and that is the reason why I started building up this channel. So if you guys want to watch more videos like this, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, smash that like button, and leave a comment down below on what you think about all 5 of these side hustle ideas, and potentially I will put up a part 2. With all of that being said, guys, I will see you in the next one.